Yeah.
You had a nice week.
Yeah, we had one bag the other day and it belted it down and then it two-tongue.
Not the bad for the weather.
It was thundering.
It's been alright.
Like,
I've had 2 bad days with the rain, but then the rest has been amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
I've lived in shorts for about 6 months.
Oh, nice. How is it for you? Is it like proper nice and quiet?
No, the schools have gone back. I take autistic children to school, so there's nothing quiet about that.
Oh.
I'll bring you Thursday, okay?
I bet you're doing a good time as well.
You come in the big garden and cook us a colour.
Oh, you let me know. Do love a little curry bake off sometimes.
Oh, that's good driving, that is. Look at that. Wow. 10 out of 10. Can't have been down walk, some of the best off like cars.
Yeah, you'll be on the news.